The shin box squat is the ultimate hip mobilizer and glute activator as you wind your hips up into full rotation, both internal on the back leg and external on the front leg. And you're doing this while adding flexion and extension. Start with a stick to self-assist, progress to body weight, doing the best you can to stay level and square. This is so good for unlocking rotational power for sports like boxing, golf, baseball, you name it. Linear footwork sets the foundation for moving forwards and backwards while boxing. I like to add a mini band below the knees to help get more glute activation and also encourage proper spacing so the feet are just outside shoulder width. If they come too close together, you'll actually feel the mini band slide down on you. When going forwards, the lead foot leads. When going backwards, the rear foot leads. Make sure the feet don't come together or cross. Drop your hips more to increase hip-thigh engagement. Lateral footwork teaches you how to move side to side in boxing, but also serves as a great butt builder and knee bulletproofer because a lot of knee injuries can happen side to side when those hips are weak. So we really focus on maintaining that good stance, never letting the feet come too close together, adding a mini band for extra resistance. You're going left, the left foot leads. If you're going right, the right foot leads, no matter whether you're in an orthodox or a southpaw stance. Get lower, more burn. The jab or the one is the lead straight and the single most important punch in boxing. You want to feel the weight shift from your front foot to your back foot on every punch, and you'll really try to focus on pivoting the feet and rotating your hips to get max power on every punch. One thing to also consider, a big mistake on the jab is not getting full extension. That's why I like to wrap a band around my trunk to make sure I not only get all the way out, but get more resistance. The cross or the two is the rear straight and the second most important punch in boxing, where the jab is more of a setup and scoring punch because it's closest to your opponent's face. The cross is a power punch, a knockout punch coming straight down the pipe. Really focus on pivoting the feet and rotating the hips to get maximum hip power behind every punch, and you'll feel the weight shift from your back foot to your front foot every rep. Add the band for more.